Welcome guys, so in this tutorial video I want to show you all sizes that you have in the factory box of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. So when you open the box you will find these two additional sizes, that's the small and the large, and this one that you have already on your earbuds, it's the medium size. And that's how it looks. Maybe I'm gonna take it off and take a look beside them. So this one is small, this one is medium, and this one is large. And we got basically 3 different sizes. And I think that's all for this video. It is some kind of the information video. If you are looking for this information, I think that's the answer. So yeah, that's all. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.